Hi everyone, you've been lucky enough to get the part of Mitch in the White Winter Hymnal, and I'm Stephen.
And I'm Emma.
And we're going to help you learn it. Okay, what's really good about this is the first four movements in each of the four bars is the same. We start with a clap, then a right knee, a left knee, and a right knee. So let's just do those movements first of all. So clap, right knee, left knee, right knee. And what we need to do is we need to speed up the right knee and left knee to the right knee, so it makes what we call 16th notes or semiquavers. So we go clap, right, left, right. Let's just do that. Clap, right, left, right. And clap, right, left, right. Okay, well done. Now practice that and get that bit good if you can, because each of the bars starts with that pattern. So we've got clap, right, left, right, clap, double knees, double knees, double knees in the first bar. So let's try that one. So clap, right, left, right, clap, knee, knee, knee. Again. Clap, right, left, right, clap, knee, knee, knee. One more time. Clap, right, left, right, clap, knee, knee, knee. So we're going to take you through the second bar now. So we start with our same pattern that we've been doing in the first bar, which is a clap, right, left, right, but then we go to the left knees, centre knees, and the right knees. And all the members of the group do that. So if you watch the video of them all doing it, at the end of this second bar we all go left, centre, right. But we do our little bit at the start. So let's try that. So we go clap, right, left, centre, right. Again. Clap, right, left, centre, right. One more time. Clap, right, left, centre, right. Okay, that's good, the second bar. Move on to the third bar now. Again, we start with our pattern. Clap, right, left, right. And like the first bar, we go back to a clap and we do two knees. So up to that point, it's identical, but then we're going to take our right hand and we're going to click across. Now, whoever's Scott in your choir, you'll be catching Scott's hand on that fourth beat in the third bar. So let's do that nice and slow, this third bar. Same as the first, but that fourth beat, we cross over. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, right, left, right, clap, knee, knee, over. Clap, right, left, right, clap, knee, knee, over. Clap, right, left, right, clap, knee, knee, over. Well done. Okay, the last bar, I really like this bar. We start with our same pattern, but then we've got 3 right chests at the end. Okay, each one being a dotted quaver or a dotted quarter note, if you like, which is nice. So we go clap, right, left, right, chest, chest, chest. That's a cool one, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, right, left, right, chest, chest, chest. Again, 2, 3, 4. Clap, right, left, right, chest, chest, chest. 2, 3, 4. Clap, right, left, right, chest, chest, chest. So that's the fourth bar. Let's try putting that all together nice and slowly now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One and 2 and 3 and 4. So to remember to practice it slowly, just do 1 bar at a time, get that right and slowly join the bars together. Don't worry about the singing at all. Start slowly, build up the speed, and then once you're really comfortable with it and it all flows naturally, then start putting the singing in and practice together. Good luck.
Have fun.